It's absolutely okay to want to be cautious about your budget, and it's smart to manage your finances carefully. With that in mind, though, it's that not having life insurance can cost the family more in the long run if an unexpected item happens. Hi, everybody. Let's talk about life insurance, the objections you're going to get, and what to do about them. I think when we're trying to cross-educate life insurance from home and auto to life or to business to life, you just need to be prepared that as we're educating, the only thing we're doing is planting a seed. Seeds need water, sunlight, and time. And so it's okay if you get a no up front. And we want to give you some tips and tools for the top life insurance objections you're ever going to face. The first one is, I already have life insurance at work. Now, in my head, I'm thinking, so you plan on dying at work? But you don't want to say that. You want to reformat it to something a little different. Hi, I completely understand. Many people have employer-based life insurance, and it's great to have some coverage in place. And it's perfectly okay to think that you have enough. It's a common starting point. The only challenge that we see with employer-provided life insurance is that they're not portable. So if you need it and you become ill and you can't work, you don't have that benefit. But in addition to that, if you change jobs or the company decides to non-renew that policy and you have a pre-existing condition, it may be very difficult to get. So for that reason, we always recommend that you have a policy that you control, even if it's for a small amount of coverage just in case. Wouldn't you agree we should at least explore that? So really great just to remind people, not portable, and most people aren't going to die while they're at work. So it's why it's kind of so inexpensive. The third biggest one I see is life insurance is just too expensive, right? It's too expensive. Now, I want you to think they don't have a quote in front of them, so this could be a false belief. There is sort of a perception out there that life insurance is just too expensive, but we want to fight against that. So here's a way to overcome that. I understand completely why that might be a concern. A lot of people feel that same way at first. It's absolutely okay to want to be cautious about your budget, and it's smart to manage your finances carefully. With that in mind, though, it's that not having life insurance can cost the family more in the long run if an unexpected item happens. Did you know that many policies are as affordable as $20 a month? That's less than what most people spend on streaming services. It'd be worth exploring just a quote just to confirm what it looks like for you. And again, if somebody doesn't have the right health profile, final expense or guarantee issue is still an option and can be very, very inexpensive. So the other one I'm going to go through is I'm young and healthy. This is another one you get. I don't need it. I'm healthy. Not going to be a problem. I completely understand. It's great that you're in good health and feels like life insurance is something you don't need to worry about right now. But it's something you're probably going to need to consider down the road. And a lot of people think the same thing. The thing is, life insurance is the most affordable when you're young and healthy. And waiting could mean higher coverage costs, or if you have a health change occur, you might not qualify. Wouldn't it make sense to lock in the low rate now while you're in the best position to do so? Let's go ahead and just show you what a quote would look like so you can make a final decision. Again, assuming the quote, just showing it, you need to blast through a lot of people's false beliefs to get to the good stuff with life insurance. Hopefully this was helpful. Check out our course, How to Cross-Sell Life Insurance to Your PNC Book, and you'll get these life leads coming like no time.